The untold story of human hands. How dexterity shaped our species for millions of years, our hands have been the defining tool of human evolution. From the delicate movements required to play a complex guitar solo to the forceful precision needed for tool-making, the unique anatomy of the human hand is a testament to natural selection. This remarkable story, once obscured by scarce fossil evidence, is now coming into focus thanks to recent discoveries that connect hand evolution to the rise of bipedalism, tool use, and even the development of our brains and language. The unique human hand, a departure from apes compared to chimpanzees and bonobos, human hands display striking differences. While apes possess long fingers and short, weak thumbs, humans have evolved a remarkably long and robust thumb alongside relatively shorter fingers. This is reflected in skeletal structure, with human finger bones being straight rather than the curved shapes found in apes. These differences aren't just anatomical quirks. They enable a precision grip essential for tool use, complex manipulations, and even artistic expression. The differences extend beyond bone structure. Human hands also feature larger muscles than those of apes, particularly the flexor pollicis longus, which allows independent thumb movement and forceful precision grips. These subtle but crucial adaptations set the stage for the dexterity that defines our species. The long-debated link between bipedalism and hand evolution, Charles Darwin, first proposed that the evolution of dexterous hands was intertwined with the emergence of upright walking. He argued that freeing hands from locomotion allowed them to develop greater precision for tool-making and other complex tasks. For decades, however, this hypothesis lacked substantial fossil evidence. Early hominin fossils were too few and far between to confirm the link. The discovery of stone tools in East Africa, dating back millions of years, added fuel to the debate. The crude Alduin tools found in Tanzania challenged the notion that tool-making was a late development. If hominins were creating tools so early in their evolutionary history, how far back did hand dexterity originate? The Ardipithecus revelation and the shifting paradigm, the 2009 discovery of Ardipithecus ramidus, nicknamed Ardi, shook up established theories. The remarkably complete skeleton revealed that early hominins may not have been as ape-like as previously assumed. While Ardipithecus was bipedal, its hands retained traits suited for tree climbing, suggesting that the transition to full terrestrial dexterity was not immediate. Subsequent analyses, however, challenged the initial interpretation. More recent studies suggest Ardipithecus hands were closer to those of modern apes than previously thought, implying that the evolution of human-like hands occurred later, perhaps with Australopithecus. This shift in understanding underscores the complex interplay between locomotion, tool use, and hand morphology. The Australopithecus breakthrough. Dexterity takes hold fossils of Australopithecus species, like Lucy and Australopithecus sediba, provided more definitive evidence of evolving hand dexterity. A. sediba, in particular, showed a blend of ape-like and human traits, with a long thumb and short fingers indicative of precision grip capabilities. The discovery of 3.3-million-year-old Lomquian tools in Kenya further solidified the connection between bipedalism, tool use, and hand evolution. These crude but functional tools predate any confirmed Homo fossils, suggesting that hominins other than our direct ancestors were capable of tool-making. The Paranthropus puzzle. Strength alongside precision, the recent discovery of Paranthropus boys' hand fossils added another layer to the story. These robust hominins possessed human-like hand proportions, but with larger bones, suggesting they combined precision grip with remarkable strength. This may have allowed them to process tough vegetation and potentially use stone tools effectively. The findings support a stepwise model of hand evolution, where the thumb gradually elongated, the fingers shortened, and musculature adapted for both precision and force. This evolutionary trajectory underscores the importance of ecological pressures in shaping the unique anatomy of the human hand. Conclusion: the evolution of the human hand is a story of adaptation, innovation, and surprising twists. Recent discoveries confirm that hand dexterity evolved alongside bipedalism and tool use, shaping not only our physical capabilities, but also the trajectory of human intelligence and culture. The remarkable precision of our hands is not just a biological trait. It is a defining characteristic of what makes us human.